I know giving advice to people who I love sometimes it's a bit tricky because everyone thinks that she knows everything about love. Maybe she might have passed some various relationships and they don't work because of reasons best known to them. And sometimes I say, let me just give you a bit of advice about how you can handle your relationship to make sure it goes far. So there are many people who fall in love, but they can't even date for 1 year because maybe that is not their interest. They have interest in other things. But let me tell you something. If you want a long-term relationship that one day will lead to marriage, you can just do these few things and you're going to benefit from it. You know, I'm just doing this to advise that person who needs an advice about love because some people don't take love advice. They say, don't tell me anything about love because I have passed many things. We're having cases of love every now and then. This is because we don't take love as serious thing. And in one of my videos, I said, love is sacred. God Himself instituted it. So we need to respect it. And I'm just going to give you a few things. This is a form of advice that can help you. Maybe if you're interested in having a long term partner in your life, one thing you should do, excuse, one thing that you should do when you fall in love with someone, keep the past in the past. Don't come into any relationship and talk about past. Remember, maybe you might have had many issues concerning your love life, but that is past. Let it stay there. It's past. Now you are in another journey with another person or a new partner. You need to implement what you have at the moment. You need to stay at the moment. What you have is the one that is best for you. Make it good for you. Work on it. And you're going to benefit from it. Don't compare your love with, or your partner with other people. The more you compare your partner with other people, the more you lose what you call self-esteem. You don't know what you want because you've seen other uh, relationships working outside there. Maybe yours is not working and you're trying to fix things. Make sure that you don't compare because you don't know how they survive. When two people meet and they plan to stay together to have, I call it movement of trying to know each other, trying to know if you compatible. You have to understand his few tips because they're going to help you. Other thing, look at actions more than words. Look, look at how you talk, how you communicate to the person that you have in your life. Remember that person is very important for you. Remember when you give your heart to someone, when you decide to love someone, that's the beginning of a new journey. So you need to use your actions. We say actions speak louder than words. So you need to try and make sure that you use your actions more than words. You should make the person that you're having be comfortable. Make him her see that he is the he is in the best place. He has the best life. Since she started having a relationship with you, don't give her time with the family. Create time to go see the family, visit once in a while. create good that you can do is uh, someone who is in love with the other person is trying to create good relationship with the family, trying not to be a troublemaker, try to understand the family very well, and everything will be okay, and you're going to benefit from it. Remember, everything that you're doing is for your own benefit. You're all benefiting in that relationship. So it's your responsibility to make it work. Whenever you start a relationship, you don't start it to end it. And if you have that mindset, you better stop it, because sometimes we waste a lot of time and we find out that time has passed. Why? Because we've been wasting time just dating for fun. Excuse. Mm-hmm. Just having fun everywhere without now you're just looking here. You don't see the future. The future needs you. And when you don't focus about future, everything will be scattered. Everything will not fall in place. And by the end of the day, you're the one to lose. So you try to take it as your own responsibility and make it work. Don't see how you feel, show it. That's why I said you have to use actions more than your words. Don't talk too much, but just do. Just use your actions. And that one will help a lot. Try to love your partner every day. Just choose to love that your partner every day. Show love every day. That is the person that you had chose. So you're a form of happiness. Just give it, and that one will help you, because sometimes we don't understand if it is our responsibilities, and also we should be driven by our feelings. If definitely you have any feelings about someone, you're going to show love to that person day in, day out. Each time that you are in a conversation with that person, you feel, yes, this is the person that I need. If I don't talk with you today, if I don't communicate with you often, I won't feel comfortable, because you complete me. You complete me. The moment you came to the moment you came into my life, maybe hiccups about life. And that's why we see some girls being healthy when they are in a good relationship. Why? Because they have peace of mind. Even your love life or your relationship, you got what you call peace of mind. That one will definitely help you, because I don't see if there is someone who can contribute a lot in any relationship than giving you peace of mind. Being comfortable in the relations that you have, having the best person in your life, that gives you peace of mind. Whenever you have any problem, you have someone to share to. And that makes life good. Try to look for that person who has future. Try to look for that person who has vision about life, and you'll thank me later. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. I know you've learned a lot, but we have a lot still to cover. This is a journey that we've started. And make this platform your best friend. You'll always prosper in life. Bye for now.